This is the DigiBox D3 Plus, which is another Android TV box if you're looking to stream high-quality content such as live TV, movies and TV shows. In this video, we will be looking at its functions and features, hardware and software, including options for live TV and video on demand. I will show you how to set up and use this Android TV box as a media entertainment device. This video is made into these sections so that you can easily find and watch the information from this video. Continue watching to learn about the DigiBox D3 Plus Android TV box. If you're new to this channel and interested in this kind of review, click the subscribe button to follow my future contents. This is the DigiBox D3 Plus product box with the brand, the model name, the image of the product, and main specs printed here. It comes with 4GB RAM, 64GB storage space, and comes with Android 12 operating system. On one side, some of the features are printed, and on the other side, more features are mentioned. Now, let's open the box to see its contents. These are everything that came in the box: the DigiBox D3 Plus Android TV box, the remote control, the user guide, a power adapter, and a HDMI cable. The DigiBox D3 Plus has a full plastic body construction. At the top is the DigiBox logo, and the front has an LED display panel. On the side, this is a microSD card slot and 4 USB 2.0 ports. While most TV boxes provide only 2 USB ports, this is quite generous. At the back, these two antennas can be adjusted to get the best possible Wi-Fi signal. Most of the ports are available at the back. This is the IR extension, AV port, LAN Ethernet port, HDMI out port, SPDIF digital audio and DC-in power port. There is nothing on this side. At the bottom, there are 4 anti-skid rubberized feet that provide good grip on flat surfaces and ventilation holes. In the middle is the product model name, and this sticker has the device MAC address and serial number. This remote control is quite compact and light, and has all the standard buttons. There's dedicated TV control buttons, a voice control button, and a mouse cursor button. This remote requires 2 AAA batteries. Included is a simple user manual, which includes device information and steps for some functions. I will explain a lot more in this video, so please continue watching. Now let's get this device started. Connect the HDMI from the Android box to a display such as TV or monitor. Connect the provided power adapter and turn on power. The Android splash screen displays DigiBox logo animation, which took 30 seconds to come to the setup screen. The first is the remote control pairing steps. Follow the instructions on screen, and once connected, the remote appears on the screen. Select Next, and here you get to select your preferred language. There are 12 languages to choose from. Once selected, choose Next. For internet connection, you can use network cable or Wi-Fi. I'm selecting Set up Wi-Fi. Once the internet is connected, choose Next. This is a disclaimer saying that this box does not have applications pre-installed, and it is the user's responsibility to install apps and abide by law and regulations. Read the disclaimer and then choose the Complete button. You are now shown the DigiBox home screen. The home screen looks quite simple, with the background image dominating the space. At the top left is the DigiBox logo, date and time. At the top right are menu icons: Contact Us, Internet Speed Test, Help, Self-Starting Management, Set Quick Launch, Bluetooth, Clean Memory, Network Settings, Remote Control, and more settings. There are 5 home shortcut icon slots, with 2 taken by YouTube and apps. You can add or modify shortcuts here. If you navigate down, icons of all installed apps are shown here. Clicking on More Settings will pop up with various options and functions, as can be seen here. The projection screen function allows you to cast your phone screen if your phone supports wireless projection function. Now let's look at DigiBox D3 Plus hardware specifications. The device hardware is H6N18. The processor is a 4-core ARM Cortex-A53, running between 480 MHz and 1512 MHz. The GPU is ARM Mali G31 with OpenGL 3.2 supported. The Integrated Graphics Processing Unit supports Vulkan API 1.1, which is a low-level, low-overhead, cross-platform API and open standard for 3D graphics and computing. Current display is Full HD with 60 Hz refresh rate as the one it's connected to right now. It has HDR10 and hybrid log gamma support. The RAM size is 4 GB and the storage is 64 GB. Although sufficient for streaming activities, I would prefer 128 GB in order to install many large apps and games. This Android box supports Bluetooth 4 and Bluetooth 5 connection and functions. As for the device, it uses an X-Droid board and the operating system is Android 12, which is also called Snowcone. This device is rooted, and that allows a user to perform actions such as changing the operating system, replace or alter settings and system applications, install custom themes, and download specialized apps. To make sure this device has the latest software updates, go to More Settings and select Update. There are two options here, OTA Local Update or OTA Online Update. I'm selecting the Online option. This screen shows the current OS version. Select Detection to check for any update availability. For now, there is no new version detected, and the OS is the latest so far. Google Play Store is available, and you can get a lot of Android apps. As you can see, there's a wide variety of app selection that you can install and use. There is a large number of entertainment apps that you can install and use, which includes paid subscription services and free streaming apps. If you're into music, there is also a good selection of apps that you can enjoy with this Android TV box. I can't show you how to install the live TV and VOD streaming apps due to the platform guidelines, but I will explore those external apps just to check out what they provide. Please comply with the law and regulations of your country when it comes to content access or use. I will skip showing the app installations and go straight to the apps to test. These are the apps that I'm going to check: Cat TV for live TV, Cat VOD for movies and shows, and Playback as a backup streaming app. They are added to the home shortcut icons for easy access. There is also the Koala TV app for live TV and VOD. The app Cat Hot is not meant for children and is password protected. The Cat TV app has 2001 channels listed at the moment. Pressing the OK button on the remote control brings up this channel selection. Above is the favorite group that lists the channels that have been bookmarked. And this is the TV channel search function, where you can type to search or use voice to search. TV channels are grouped into categories to make it easier to find a channel to watch. As I navigate the channel groups, the channel list refreshes. This is the interface for the Cat VOD app. At the top are buttons for Favorite, History, and Help. Favorite lists all the movies or TV shows that you have bookmarked. History shows all your watch history. This number at the top shows the count of movies under the Recommended tab. Selecting the Movies tab shows more than 21,000 movies available in this app. The Series tab has more than 3,000 TV shows listed. The Anime tab lists more than 500 shows. The Info tab shows the current app version, and you can check for the latest update by clicking this button. The sidebar has a search function where you can type the keyword or use voice to search. It has scrollable categories that lists new or popular movies or TV shows. Selecting sidebar categories, refresh the thumbnails, and it makes it easier to find good movies or TV shows. The Playback is a backup streaming app which contains live TV, movies, and shows. This is the interface which has all the options in the sidebar. Sports and Live TV has a list of TV channels to choose from. Recommended has media suggestions with search, history, and favorite options. Newest shows the latest movies list which can be expanded or searched. TV series list with similar interface. And here, it allows you to install an app to watch streaming media on your mobile phone. There is a QR code to connect your phone to this Android TV box. The Koala TV is similar to Playback, but there is one major difference in its live TV channels list. This app has channels from many countries around the world. There are TV channels from Hong Kong and Macau, Japan, Korea, USA, Taiwan, Philippines, India, Thailand, Australia, Vietnam, Malaysia, and Indonesia. This is great if you watch live TV from these countries. DRM, or digital rights management, is a way of protecting contents from piracy. To stream and play HD quality videos from services like Netflix, Disney Plus, or Prime Video, the device needs to have DRM security level L1. This Android TV box is only certified for L3, so you can't stream HD or 4K quality videos from those protected services. If you don't have a Netflix, Disney Plus, or Paramount Plus account, you can get them at a discounted rate at this website. Check out the link in the comment or description to enjoy the discounted price. Now let's test playing 4K video files and see the playback performance of this Android TV media box. This is a 4K trailer of a movie, and the video playback seems to be good. Fast forwarding works well too. The DigiBox D3 Plus plays 4K quality local video files without any problem. If you like to watch 4K quality movies, this Android media box seems to handle local files really well. Let's look at an internet browser app. Google Chrome is installed by default, and the shortcut can be found on the home interface. I use Chrome on a daily basis, so this is one that I'm very comfortable using on this Android TV box. You can also install and use other internet web browsers shown here, as they are available in the Google Play Store. Most of the popular internet browsers are available for this Android TV box. Let's test playing a 3D game in this Android box. The game is called Asphalt 8 Car Racing Game. This is just a demonstration of game performance and graphics in the DigiBox D3 Plus Android TV box. The graphics are not the best, but I did not experience lag, so this 3D game is quite playable. Although you can play games in this box, it is not recommended for heavy 3D gameplay. To summarize, DigiBox D3 Plus is a great Android media box for live TV and video on-demand playback. When apps are installed, it has thousands of live TV channels, movies and TV series updated frequently for endless entertainment. The user interface is very easy to use and has a responsive interface and navigation. Applications are generally loaded quickly and provide a good experience. 4K local video files play without any problem. 3D games play well without any issue. But I also have some concerns about this TV box. It does not have the DRM security level support to play Netflix in HD or 4K. Storage is only 64 GB, but I would prefer 128 GB to be able to install many large apps or games. I will continue to test this box and may report any updates on its reliability and updates in my future videos, so stay in touch. That's all for this review, and I hope this video has been useful for you. On TechTube TV, I make easy-to-understand videos on technology-related topics. If you like my content, please consider clicking the subscribe button to follow my future video uploads. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.